If you also love Pinteresty room decor but don't want to spend a lot of money, then I got you. In today's video, I'm recreating 5 Pinterest inspired room decor projects that anyone can easily make at home using simple and affordable materials. So grab your craft supplies, get comfy, and let's start creating. We'll be making this beautiful butterfly wall hanging. We'll need some cardboard. So I made the outline of the window. This is 20 centimeter, is 16 centimeter. All these are 1 centimeter and these are 4.5 centimeter. Take a screenshot or save this video. Using this outline, we'll draw on the cardboard and then cut it out. On the other cardboard, we'll just draw the arch. So our background and window frame is ready. Let's move on to making other elements. So to make the leaves, I'm using a green color paper. If you don't have a green color paper, you can use any paper and paint it green. And then cut 2 centimeter strip, fold it as shown and draw the outline of a leaf. Cut it carefully and our leaves are ready. Make as many as you want. As for the branch, I'm using this Blinkit Swiggy ka paper bag handle. If you don't have that, you can use any brown paper. Cut small strip as I've shown and then keep twisting it like this. See, it looks almost like a branch. And then paint it green. Once the branch is ready, attach the leaves one by one and that's it. Make as many veins as you want. Now moving on to our next element, paper butterfly. Fold it into half and draw the outline as I've shown. Cut it. Once the paper butterflies are ready, we'll paint these and also add details. You can try different variations, experiment, and here are our butterflies. So pretty. Now as for the background, you can either stick a poster, draw, or make a painting yourself. I actually made a painting. Once the background is ready, we'll start attaching the frame. I'm gluing the frame onto the background. Now as for the window, we don't want it completely fixed. So I'm using sellotape and as you can see, you can move it. You don't want it to be moving. Use a small piece of double-sided tape. Now let's glue all the leaves. Once these are dry, we'll start gluing the butterflies onto the window frame and that's it. A beautiful butterfly wall hanging is ready. You can just stick it on the wall using a double-sided tape. It's so pretty, aesthetic. It's easy to make. Moving on to our next room decor idea, we'll be making this motivational quote wall hanging. Again, we'll need waste cardboard. You can keep them in the rectangular shape only. I'm just cutting out the edges to give it a little different shape. I've drawn 0.5 centimeter border. I'm using this masking tape to cover the border. If you don't have the masking tape, you can use a piece of paper or you can just leave it like that. That's absolutely fine. I'm using a thick piece of paper and I'm cutting it the same shape. I'm gluing this onto the cardboard. Now it's time to paint. I'm using this pastel shade. I hope this color combo works. Write any quote that you want, anything that you find inspirational, motivational. I'm writing follow your dream. You'll find a lot of inspo on Pinterest. Once you're done painting the background, it's time to paint our quote. Now it's time to decorate. You can use whatever you have. I had this cute seashells. I got this at my local stationery shop for 30 rupees. So here's the final look. Looks really pretty, aesthetic. You can actually use thread like this and turn it into a hanging, or you can just stick these cardboard pieces onto the wall directly. That's what I have done. So here's the final look. This really aligns with everything else that's there in my background. Almost all of these are pastel. So we'll be recreating this but in our own style. First, draw the outline of the sun. I use this masking tape to draw the circle. As for the flames, opposite ends, the larger ones, and draw the smaller flames between them. So I'm going to decorate this using the golden metallic paint. You can use glitter powder also. So cut it out. I had to actually paint 2 layers. The first layer was very transparent and this time I'm drawing circles. I think it'll give a little texture. So here's how it looks. Now for the flames, I'm using the glitter. Apply the glue, pour the glitter powder. One pack is around 20 rupees and it's more than enough. And that's it. Now we make small stars. Here's a quick tutorial. Mark straight lines at the center. Draw points 0.5 centimeters from the center as shown. Once you got the 4 points, connect it as shown. And that's it. You can just keep it like this. That's also fun. You can also draw small elements like this. Cut it out. Using this paper star template, you can make many more. Let me show you. I'm painting these stars. You can also use glitter. All our stars are ready. You can use a thread and turn it into a wall hanging, or you can just stick it on the wall. I have this brown door, so I'm just going to stick this on the door. As you can see, it looks so pretty, super aesthetic. Let me show you with dimmed lights. So pretty. Moving on to our next room decor idea. You must have seen these wall posters a lot, so let's recreate this. I'm making 6 posters. I'm using thick paper and these are the measurements. For all these posters, I'm also making the frame. A quick tutorial. Using this trick, you'll be able to make frame for photos of any size. So I'm using this photo, which is 12 by 16. Whenever we need to make a photo frame, 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 centimeter on the top, on the bottom. So in total, whatever size you have, plus 8. In this case, it's 16 plus 8, 24 centimeter, and 12 plus 8, which is 20 centimeter. For a picture that is 12 by 16, you will need 20 by 24 paper to make a frame. Draw 4 stripes, 1 centimeter each on all 4 sides. Then cut these boxes. To make the frames, I'm using cardboard sheet. You'll find it at a local stationery for 20 rupees. Now choose either this or this. Draw 1 centimeter and connect the edges. You see, now cut it carefully. Once you're done, fold all of these as shown. Crease these edges so that it will be easier for you to fold later, like this. Can you see this? Yes, slowly fold it, and that's it. We have a paper photo frame. So I made frames for all 6 of the pictures. You can draw whatever you like on these posters, motivational quotes, your favorite characters, anything that you like. You can find a lot of inspiration on Pinterest. I'm using the color combo of like buttercream yellow and pink, like different shades of pink, some motivational quote, some cute art. Here's an important tip. In all these posters, draw 1 centimeter border. In that border, don't draw anything important because the frame will cover it up. I have not done that, but I made sure that I'll not draw anything on the edge. Now open one side, carefully place the picture inside and fold back in. That's it. Our wall art posters are ready. It's super easy to make. Looks so beautiful on the wall. To stick these on the wall, I'm using washi tape, but you can also use normal cello tape. You just have to turn this normal tape into a double-sided tape. I'll show you the trick. I'm adding one on all corners and our wall art posters are ready. These look super aesthetic. It's a really cute addition to your room. Moving on to our last DIY, I'm making this cute specs holder. I'm thinking of making a bunny specs holder. I just made the bunny outline. Here's an important tip. Just make sure bunny face is almost the same size, is smaller than your specs. Again, even for this, we are using some waste cardboard. Using the outline, draw on the cardboard and cut it out. I finally bought the gesso yesterday. So once you're done cutting all the elements, coat it with a layer of gesso. If you don't have that, you can also use white paint. Now this is a very important element. I'm using the waste cardboard strip. Instead of this, you can use a very thick paper. Keep rolling it until it becomes this thick, because this is the one that will hold the specs. Once the gesso is dry, let's paint some details. As you can see, the edges, I just wanted to cover it up. I am using a normal piece of paper, 0.5 centimeter strip. So almost all of our elements are ready other than the stand. Glue all these elements together. Once it dries, we'll be making a stand. To make a stand, again, I'm using cardboard, 2 triangles, and a little bit of trial and error to be able to figure out the exact shape when it properly stands. I have 2 of these. I have used glue here. As you can see, it stands perfectly fine. Even after adding the specs, it's able to hold the weight perfectly fine. Here's our final look with the chashma. It's functional and a cute desk decor. So here's everything that we made today. A beautiful butterfly wall hanging, a motivational quote wall decor, super glittery sun wall decor, aesthetic wall posters, and a cute specs holder. Which of these 5 room decor ideas did you like the most? Comment below, save this video, and whenever you feel like giving your room a makeover, try these cute Pinterest inspired DIY room decor ideas. They are super easy to make and budget friendly. If you enjoyed watching the video, please do drop a like. I make cute DIY art and craft ideas from room decors to journal to handmade gifts and a little bit of everything. So if that's your cup of tea, subscribe for more. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great weekend. Bye.